What's up guys, in today's video we got ourselves a new build. It's 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is a short video, but in the next videos we will try to make them a bit longer and more interesting. So this Copart loader gets 5 stars because he loaded up very professionally, and comparing to the other Copart location loaders, he did a very good job. Okay guys, so we got ourselves a new build. Got some interesting damage right here. On the picture it looks like this wheel is okay, but once you look right there, it's fully disconnected. But it's a really nice truck, a very new build on the channel. So we don't know if it starts yet, so I guess let's give it a quick wash and see if it starts. So if you are interested in what it looked like in Copart, there's the lot number. And it says it starts, but we'll see in a minute. Okay, so while it's charging, we took off the front wheel to further inspect the damage. Doesn't look too bad. It looks like we're just gonna need the inner and outer tie rod. I don't think that's supposed to be that bowed in. Out. Probably, maybe the lower control arm.
That one's ripped.
But one thing is really cool, has the rough country lift. Frame is still under question. We don't know if the frame is in or what's wrong with the frame. I think the frame's fine. We still gotta look. But other than that, not too bad. Starts. Okay, so it's been running for a good hour. Got up to operating temperatures so far. No problems. No check engine light, except for the airbag because all the airbags deployed. Yeah. But everything else working very nice.
Except the window switch.
Yep, except the driver window. Probably a fuse or something. We'll figure it out. Couple noises, but I think that's just, it's been sitting over.
Couple noises here and there.
Yeah, but it's been sitting for a long time, but I think that's normal. Alright guys, this is probably going to be the end of the video. It's kind of windy outside, so it's not going to be very good audio. But so far, it's a very nice truck. But in the next video, we're probably going to start disassembling it. We're going to order all the parts so they come in. If you guys want to see us rebuild it, the whole full process, please subscribe, like, put a random comment just so we know you like the video. So I guess we'll see you in the next one.